Hi, we're going to talk about what you need to make your bun for our parade at Disneyland. So you're going to need a spray bottle with water, some very strong gel, strong hairspray. This is all I had, but get some really stronghold hairspray. This is the package that the hairnets are in. We're going to be using a brown one today, but this is the package that you can get these anywhere. These are the pins that I like, but you can use any kind of bobby pins. My daughter seems to like the ones that are far apart with the little balls on the end so they don't hurt. A comb, some rubber bands, and these clips. Also, you might just want to get a little bun kit like this. You can put all the stuff that you need in there, and then you'll have it when you get down to the parade in the LA area. Okay, first we're going to spray this hair. Get it wet. Wet is good. We're going to comb all this back. And we have our bun up high because we put the bow in front of it. And it's okay if you have some mistakes because we're going to smooth those out later. So our bun is going to be up here on the top of the head. Next we're going to put this gel in. I have some on my hand. We're going to smooth it around. The more gel the better. And you're going to make sure there's lots of gel on this part of the hair too. And you can just comb after you put that in. Everybody's hair is different, so we're going to have to try different ways for different types of hair. This time I'm going to separate these into 3 sections. Spray lots of water, gel, and just twist this around, and you can go around and pin this it down as you go. And you can put lots more gel on these 3 strands. Then with the next one, spray it, put some more gel. And you should probably pin that piece back. And we can go this way. The more pins, the better. And the hairnet is going to hide all these wispies at the end. And we'll do our 3rd one. pins out of there. Now, if you have some wispies back here, you're going to get these clips that match your child's hair. I have a blonde and a brunette, so I have both kinds, but you would use all the same kind. Gel this up, pin this. Give me that hairnet. Where is it? This hairnet just goes around. You pin that down. If I was doing this for Disneyland, I would have a lot more gel on here and spray it with the hairspray. Can you look at the camera? And then we put our bow, which I don't have with me either, right here in the front of the bun. And you would spray all this with tons of spray. More spray the better. We really don't want any wispies. The more water and gel you use on here, you won't have so many wispies. And just gel it all up. Okay, another way you can do it, get your gel. Gel the whole pony instead of the 3 strands. And just wrap that around. And use a lot of pins, pinning this down. My hands are kind of gluey right now. Slippery. But you just kind of pull it around. Keep pinning. The more pins, the better. I'm trying to go fast for the video, but I would use a lot more pins. Just gel those down. Keep pinning. Use your hairnet always. And I don't know if I said on the last video, but you should pin this down too. So you just do your pins all the way around. And then clip your bow in the front. Okay, another way is we're going to use this donut. Put the hair through the donut. Spread it out. Just kind of gelled now, but all around the donut. And then put the gel over the top of that. To gel those things down. The key to the donut is the second rubber band, which goes over the bun, the donut, the second one. And then you just pull this around and pin this all the way around. Hair is getting a little long for this thing, but it's usually used for shorter hair. And if I was doing this for the show, I would gel all of this a lot more and spray it. But I have so much gel on my fingers, the pins are sticking to my fingers. Okay, hairnet. Always end with this. Covers up all your mistakes. And then you can also pin this around too if you have a lot left over. And that would be another way to do the bun for Disney, for a Disney event.